Kaspa is on the verge of something massive. The project is trending hard in the crypto community, pushing its way into the top 25 cryptos by market cap. Most of this attention is coming from Kaspa's recent launch of KRC20 tokens, similar to Ethereum's ERC20, that is set up to transform its ecosystem. This move positions Kaspa to building a thriving network of assets and applications like Ethereum, while maintaining the speed and efficiency it's known for. Kaspa processes 17 million transactions daily, and with the upcoming Crescendo hard fork, it's set to handle up to 250 million. With rumors of Kaspa native token listing on Tier 1 exchanges, the Crescendo hard fork, and key updates from the KII Enterprise Event, Kaspa has a lot unfolding. If you haven't been paying attention to Kaspa, now's the time. Let's get into all the details, and if you missed our previous Kaspa deep dive, be sure to check it out. Let's start with Kaspa's KRC20 token standard that's officially launched on September 15, 2024. This marks a major milestone for the project, as it introduces smart contract capabilities to the Kaspa blockchain. What does this mean? With this launch, developers can now create tokens and decentralized applications on the network, similar to Ethereum's ERC20 standard. However, what sets KRC20 apart is that it delivers the same level of flexibility as Ethereum, but with the added speed and efficiency that Kaspa is known for. Since the launch, Kaspa's ecosystem has quickly expanded, with many projects already built using the KRC20 standard. One of the most notable tokens is Nacho token, which has quickly risen to prominence with a market cap of around $90 million. While many of the KRC20 tokens are meme tokens, there are also utility-driven projects emerging. Platforms like Change Finance and Tangum are adding real value, signaling broader growth within the Kaspa ecosystem. Needless to say, more tokens are lined up and ready to launch on Kaspa. Now, to the even more exciting part. There are some serious rumors circulating about potential exchange listings for the KAS token. Attention is on the upcoming Kraken Pro listing, which has now been officially confirmed. And that's not all. There's even more speculation about listings on Binance, OKX, and Crypto.com. Kaspa is already integrating into Binance's mining pool, and if a spot listing happens, it would drive even more liquidity and exposure for KAS. The crypto world is watching closely as we approach the end of the year, with some expecting these Tier 1 listings to come by Q4 2024. With more access to major exchanges, Kaspa's user base could explode, and that means more adoption, more trading, and more potential price gains. And if you thought the exchange listing rumors were exciting, the upcoming Kaspa hard fork, Crescendo, takes things to another level. Set to roll out soon, Crescendo is a key upgrade aimed at massively boosting Kaspa's scalability. Right now, Kaspa already processes 17 million transactions daily, which is far more than Ethereum's 1.3 million. But the Crescendo is expected to push those numbers even higher. What does this mean for the network? First, increased throughput. Crescendo will enable Kaspa to process far more transactions at once, making it one of the most scalable blockchains out there. With this upgrade, Kaspa will process 1 block per second, with plans to eventually scale up to, well, let's hear this from the popular YouTuber and miner, Rabid Miner.
Currently, Kaspa is a very fast blockchain with 1 second block times. Current block reward on Kaspa is 246.94. Now that's actually going to turn from 1 second block times to 32 blocks per second. I know you're like, whoa, wait a minute, we're going from 1 second block times to 32 blocks per second? That's insane. Yes, it really is.
Post hard fork, developers can build even more complex dApps on Kaspa without worrying about network slowdowns. Secondly, it'll bring better tools for developers, making it easier to build tokens, smart contracts, and decentralized applications on the Kaspa network. This ensures that Kaspa can continue to attract new projects and developers to its growing ecosystem. Also, the update will optimize network efficiency. This reduces latency and makes the blockchain even more energy efficient. This positions Kaspa as one of the most sustainable blockchain platforms in the space. So this hard fork is indeed a big deal, as it aligns perfectly with Kaspa's vision to become a leading blockchain platform for DeFi and beyond. Now, shifting gears to the Kaspa Industrial Initiative, this is where things get really interesting. Kaspa isn't just about being a fast blockchain for DeFi or gaming. It's actively positioning itself to solve real-world problems across major industries like finance, logistics, and energy. They've even relocated their headquarters to the Netherlands as part of a global expansion strategy. They're expanding into key markets like Malta, UAE, Singapore, and Brazil, all of which are known for supporting blockchain innovation and offering regulatory flexibility. What's more is Kaspa's laser focused on sustainability. They're pioneering a proof-of-work model that taps into stranded energy, basically energy that would otherwise go to waste, and turning it into digital assets. This is huge for industries looking to reduce their carbon footprint while adopting blockchain technology. Let's hear why this is such a big deal.
Clearly, Kaspa is really going to be tapping into all sectors, and Kaspa Industrial Initiative is really going to try to make this a reality. So it's really cool to see that this initiative was created, and Shai actually wanted to point out 5 reasons why he's so excited for Kaspa Kai, and I actually just want to point out number 3 out of the 5 that he talks about here. He says, the people driving the Kaspa Industrial Initiative are not crypto folks trying to penetrate other industries. They're industrialists trying to adopt crypto. There's nothing the crypto landscape needs more than externally driven innovation, driving the tech according to needed utilities rather than fancy engineering. And this is what's awesome about this initiative. These people are outside of the crypto space that have just become interested in crypto, and out of all of the other cryptocurrencies they decided to make a whole entire dedicated foundation to, they chose Kaspa. So this is just really great to see this type of level of adoption. I did recently make a news video talking about how big players are coming to Kaspa, and here we already have the evidence of that statement.
The momentum doesn't stop there. Coming hot off the heels of Kaspa's expansion efforts is the highly anticipated KII Enterprise Event. This gathering laid out some of the most significant updates for the Kaspa ecosystem. The event focused on Kaspa's vision to become a foundational blockchain for both institutional and real-world applications. The highlight? The announcement of Warp Core, a major integration that aims to link decentralized finance with traditional financial sectors. It's a huge leap, positioning Kaspa to bridge the gap between blockchain and mainstream finance. The event also unveiled the Gigawatt Stablecoin Initiative. It's a carbon credit-based stablecoin that could challenge conventional financial systems, including the petrodollar. This move puts Kaspa at the forefront of sustainability within the blockchain space, a unique angle that few other projects can claim. Plus, Kaspa's proof-of-work model has already caught the attention of major players, like mining giant Marathon, which is a big validation of the project's long-term potential. Now, let's dive into 2 of the most exciting upcoming developments for Kaspa: the migration to Rust and the launch of Dagnite. First, Kaspa's node implementation is being rewritten from Golang to Rust. This upgrade will make the network faster and more efficient, increasing the block speed to handle more transactions with ease. Next is the Dagnite protocol. This new consensus mechanism is a world-first innovation. With Dagnite, Kaspa's blockchain becomes even more secure and responsive, ensuring it remains resilient against potential attacks and network issues. With everything we've discussed so far, it's clear Kaspa is positioned for a significant breakthrough. Developments like the KRC20 token standard launch, the upcoming Crescendo hard fork, and potential exchange listings, things are heating up fast. Predictions for KAS are extremely bullish. Some notable forecasts suggest Kaspa could rise as much as 300% by the end of 2024, with expectations to push even further in 2025. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.